In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Sidebar in ChatGPT. This is a quick task, but it's also one of the most useful things to know, because the sidebar is where you'll find your recent conversations, start a new chat, and access helpful options. I'll walk you through exactly what to look for so you can open it confidently every time. First, go to ChatGPT. Once you're on the main chat screen, take a look at the very top left corner of the interface. You'll see the ChatGPT icon there. It's the recognizable logo that sits right at the edge of the page. This spot doesn't move, so even if the layout feels a little different after an update, the top left corner is the place to check. If your sidebar is closed, the chat area typically stretches wider across the screen, and you won't see your list of conversations. That's your clue that the sidebar is hidden. To open it, simply click the ChatGPT icon at the top left. One click is all it takes. As soon as you do, the sidebar will slide in from the left and become visible. When the sidebar opens, you'll see your chat history and the option to start a new conversation. Depending on your version, you may also notice links to explore features or adjust settings. What you see can vary slightly over time, but the idea is the same. The sidebar gives you quick access to the tools and threads you use most. If you don't see the icon right away, don't worry. Make sure you're truly on the main ChatGPT screen and not on a separate page. On smaller screens, or very narrow windows, the icon can feel tucked into the corner, so giving the page a bit more space can make it easier to spot. Also, interface designs evolve, but the placement remains consistent. Top left is your target. If your sidebar is already open, you're all set. You'll know because your recent chats are already visible along the left side. In that case, there's nothing more to do. That's it. Go to ChatGPT, look to the top left corner, and click the ChatGPT icon if the sidebar is closed. Once it opens, you'll have quick, organized access to everything you need.